Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, future self. We have a slow driver in front of us here. I don't know what they're doing. They have a Pediddle, 93 Honda, 93-year-old person. What is up, HOBSTERS? We are headed over to Alex Jardin's. It is the last day of 2019. Can you believe it, dude? 2020 to me sounds futuristic. Like 2020, I used to watch movies when I was a little kid with my family, and it would be like 2020 in the future. We'd be in space and shit like that. We haven't really gone far as a human race. Maybe technology is not the answer. Maybe 2020 should be about spirituality and getting in tune with what your soul really wants for the next phase here. I don't know, thoughts with Hob, here we go. We are going to pick up Alex, gonna load the bikes, gonna shred the last day of 2019. Let's go!
The stuff of legend over here. Come here, you get fed. That's
No
for
shitty
sure.
fingers this morning?
No shitty fingers.
Dude, last day of 2019, what's your claim?
I don't know, just gonna try and make it out without a... I can't even say it, I don't even say it because I don't want to jinx it. I'll say it at the end of the session.
You don't want to be James?
No, I don't want to be James. I think James took all the falls for everybody.
We hope.
We're not ready to flip yet. Not ready to flip yet, boys.
Session about to embark. I'm following you. Is this the way we're going? Yeah. It's crazy. Dude, it's gonna be a sleigh fest of wetness out there. A little bit muddy, a little soft.
A little soft, but better than frozen.
Juicy.
Juicy. Oh, fuck that. Looks drippy though.
Oh, dude, just a little bit of rain, dude, just perfect. Perfect, bro. So perfect. End of 2019. What's your gnarliest moto claim of you for 2019? Like, what'd you do? What's your biggest clip?
Probably that anthracite trip, those fucking coal hills and shit were gnarly, all those rocks, dude.
Which one was anthracite? The one where we camped?
Yeah, the camping trip.
Not gonna lie, it looks smoky in that tent. Smoky and gold, boys.
That was probably the best.
That was the highlight of your 2019 career?
Yeah,
moto career?
Yeah, that was a pretty fun one.
Yeah, I don't know. That was pretty good, but really savage riding.
Yeah, really savage riding. Really savage riding.
First hill climb. First hill climb. Bike down, dude. I've been over here trying to think what my favorite moto flip of 2019 or adventure was. I really think it might be that berm of your development that we found the other day. Like, that's my favorite clip of 2019, this berm clip at Jardin's, but we still have to dig it out for bigger airs, but that's not gonna happen before 2020, boys. With Jardin's got 2019 to wrap up the year for his pit bike career. Forcing me into some wet mud. Oh, he's in deep too. I like it. I like it. What? Throwing fucking muck at the boys. Oh, throwing muck at the boys. Yoo-hoo! Oh, no way! No way!
Didn't even look at my fucking legs, dude.
Dude,
So fucking cold now.
look how muddy I got though, bro.
So cold.
What happened out there in the streets? Get a little gnarly? Oh, yeah, boys! Yeah, boys! How muddy am I? I'm covered in mud. Ruhan. I've been just getting mud shot all over me. Yeah, boys.
Pretty fun out here.
You gonna try and make the infamous puddle shoot?
What's that? So it's straight through there and then up the hill. Okay.
It's straight through that puddle shoot that up the hill. You think you're really gonna do
I
it?
don't think I want to do it right now because I'm already so wet. I think we should do it at the end because then we'll just not even care.
Yeah, bitches! Yeah, motherfuckers! Yeah! What the fuck? Found that water here, you're claiming apocalypse situation or apocalypse practice. You would never drink that, dude. Look at it. You found that here among all this other stuff. Dude, that's not healthy.
Pretty good to me.
That's insanity, bro. You found that here with all these other snacks and stuff. This guy's more of a savage than you want to believe. He drank water out of one of these bottles. No way. Oh shit! No way! No way! Holy shit! Whoa! Oh my god! I'm about to hit what the boys are referring to as Satan's asshole here. Here we go. Poseidon's asshole. The end of 2019 for our moto careers, and nobody got seriously injured at this rate. So we're coming into 2020 hot. Watch out, pit bike race season potentially. A lot of enduro. I don't know, the boys are blowing up.
Yeah, boys are blowing up. Definitely gonna be racing in 2020. Look out for us on the track, on the street, wherever they got racing going down, we'll be there.
This guy's an animal. And he got me so wet, dude. Hopefully we got some clips. I got ruined.
Right now I gotta keep a ton of